In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to factory reset your Fortinet device. Factory resetting your Fortinet is an important process that can help resolve various issues by restoring the device to its original settings. This can be particularly useful if you're experiencing persistent problems or if you want to clear all configurations and start fresh. So, let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to accomplish this. First, make sure you're logged into your Fortinet device. You'll need administrative access to perform a factory reset, so ensure that you have the correct credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top right corner of the interface. This search feature is quite handy as it allows you to quickly find specific options or settings without having to navigate through multiple menus. Next, type Factory Reset into the search bar. As you begin typing, you should see suggestions or results that relate to factory resetting your device. This step is crucial because it leads you directly to the option you need without any unnecessary detours. Once you've typed in Factory Reset, you'll see an option for it appear. Go ahead and click on this option. It's important to note that initiating a factory reset will erase all current configurations and data on your Fortinet device, returning it to its default state. So, before proceeding, ensure that you've backed up any important data or settings that you might need later. After clicking on the Factory Reset option, your device will begin the reset process. This might take a few minutes, so be patient and avoid interrupting the process. It's best to wait until the reset is fully completed before attempting to access or configure the device again. Once the reset is finished, your Fortinet device will reboot automatically. After rebooting, it will start up with its default settings. At this point, you'll need to log in again using the default credentials, which are typically provided in the device's documentation or on the manufacturer's website. From there, you can begin reconfiguring your device according to your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully performed a factory reset on your Fortinet device. Remember, this process can be an effective way to troubleshoot persistent issues or to prepare the device for a new configuration. Just be sure to back up any important data beforehand to avoid any potential loss. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your Fortinet device issues.